ஹாய் எல்லாரும் வந்துட்டிங்களா? ஸோ இன்னைக்கு இந்தியன் பாலிட்டிலேருந்து ஒரு 50 கொஸ்டின் பார்த்துடலாம். கடற்கடன்னு எம்சிக்யூஸாக பார்த்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு சின்ன டைமில் நல்லாவே ரிவைஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி ஆகிடும். பார்க்கலாமா? First, how many parts and articles did the original Indian Constitution have when it was adopted? 22 parts and 395 articles. Option B. Which part of our Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Part 3. Article 51A of the Indian Constitution specifies which of the following? Fundamental rights. Fundamental duties. Which schedule was added to the Constitution to deal with the disqualification on grounds of defection? 10th schedule. How many schedules are currently present in Indian Constitution? 12 schedules. Which part was repealed by the Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956? Part 7. Option A. Part 9A of the Indian Constitution covers which subjects? Municipalities. Article 324 to 329A are contained in which part of our Constitution? Part 15. The 6th schedule of our Indian Constitution contains provisions for the administration of tribal areas in which states? Option A. Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Which article defines the state for purpose of fundamental rights? Article 12. Which amendment deleted the right to property from a list of a fundamental right? 44th Amendment. Article 17 of our Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability. Option B. Which article provides right to education as a fundamental right? Article 21A. Prohibition of employment of children in factories under age 14 is mentioned in Article 24. Article 40 of a Directive Principles of State Policy refers to? Option B. Organization of village panchayats. Which articles covers the separation of jurisdiction from the executive? Article 50. How many fundamental duties are currently listed in Article 51A? 11 fundamental duties. The procedure of impeachment of the President is given in Article 61. Who is the ex officio chairman of a Council of States? Rajya Sabha. Vice President. The Article 76 of the Indian Constitution relates to? Option A. Attorney General of India. Which articles defines money bill? Article 110. Annual finance budget is referred to under which article? Article 112. Under which article can the President promulgate ordinance during the recess of Parliament? Article 123. Option A. Which article establishes the Supreme Court of India? Article 124. The duties and powers of a Comptroller and Auditor General are found in? Option B. Article 149. Article 165 deals with which official in the state? Option C. The Advocate General of a state. Which article empowers High Court to the issues to certain breast? Article 226. The Article 280 of the Indian Constitution provides for the Finance Commission. All India services are mentioned under which article? Article 312. Which articles deal with the administrative tribunal? Article 323A, option A. Adult suffrage as the basis for election is mentioned in Article 326. Article 343 declares which of the following is the official language of a union? Hindi. National emergency is proclaimed under which article? Article 352, option A. Financial emergency is covered under Article 360. Which article gives Parliament the power to amend the Constitution? Article 368. A special provisions with respect to the state of Nagaland is found in Article 371A. The first schedule of a constitution contains C. The list of states and union territories. Which schedule which contains a union state and concurrent list? 7th schedule. How many languages are currently recognized in the 8th schedule? 22. The 11th schedule specifies the power and responsibility of panchayats. The 2nd schedule deals with the provinces of salary and allowance are for whom? Presidents and governors. Option B. Right to property is currently at legal rights under Article 300A. Article 21 deals with protection of life and personal liberty. Uniform Civil Code is mentioned in which article? Article 44. Which articles provides for the appointment of Prime Minister by the President? Article 75. The power of a governor to promulgate ordinance is found in Article 213. Which part of a constitution deals with the official language? Part 17. Okay, Part 17. நான் தப்பா பிஏ மார்க் பண்ணிட்டேன். See, Part 17. Article 1 of defines India as Union of States. The 9th schedule was added to the Constitution to option A. Protect certain law from a judicial review. Part 22 of a constitution includes short title, commencement and repeals. ஸோ அவ்வளோதான் கைஸ், ஒரு 50 கொஸ்டின் ஒரு 9 நிமிஷத்தில் கிடக்குறேன்னு பார்த்துட்டோம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஃப்ரீ டெஸ்ட் இந்தியன் பாலிட்டியில் இல்லை மற்ற எல்லா சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ்லையும் ஃப்ரீ டெஸ்ட் இந்த மாதிரி பார்க்க நம்ம சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? பாய்.